This is a Toyota Highlander. This car is in the shop because the tire pressure monitoring system TPMS warning light on the dash is on. The TPMS warning light is the orange light shaped like an exclamation mark surrounded by a tire tread. The first thing we do is we go around all the tires. We check for any tire damage, and we also check the tire pressure using a gauge like this one or your preferred gauge. So if no problem is found, we just reinflate all the tires to the correct pressure, and then we need to reset the TPMS warning light. Cars of this vintage have a primitive tire pressure monitoring system that does not utilize any tire pressure sensors. Instead, they rely on the ABS system to compare the rotation speed of the tires, and from that they deduce if one of the tires is less inflated. To reset this system is pretty simple. First, you have to locate the TPMS reset button. And on this vehicle, I'm going to show you exactly where it is. It's under the dash. And it is right next to the DLC or OBD2 port. It's this button right here that is labeled TPMS. To reset this system, we have to follow a precise sequence. First, we put the key in the ignition, turn the ignition to on, and now we can hold down the TPMS button until the TPMS warning light goes off. Okay, so it went off, but we are not done yet. There is a second step that we must do, which is we must press the TPMS button again and hold it a second time until the light comes back on and flashes as it is doing now. And then when the light has flashed and gone off, at this point you are done. And if you've set the tires all to the correct pressure, the light will stay off. However, if you skip the second step, then as soon as you start driving, the light will come back on again. So that's it for this video. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.